Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable webcam and microphone in Google Chrome. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open the Google Chrome and click on these three dots in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, go to settings. Now on the left hand side, click on privacy and security. Next, click on site settings. This is where you control what access websites have to your camera and mic. To enable your webcam, scroll down and click on camera. Here make sure the toggle is set to side can ask to use your camera. Below that you will also see a drop down menu where you can choose the camera you want to use. For example, your laptop's built-in webcam or an external one. Once that's done, go back and select microphone. Again, make sure it's set to side can ask to use your microphone. Choose the microphone you prefer from the list. It could be your computer's mic or an external mic you have connected. That's pretty much it. Now whenever a website like Zoom, Google Meet or any online recording tool needs access to your webcam or microphone, Chrome will ask for your permission and everything will work smoothly. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to enable webcam and microphone in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.